What's up, guys? It's Matt with digitaldreamhomes.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourselves a market update report template that you can use over and over and over again. And you don't have to go to a website and download their template and give them your email address and start getting dripped with all their stuff and get your inbox filled with spam. Okay. Plus, those templates, they're all templates and they're all everyone has the same ones, right? I'm going to teach you how you can make your own and make it stand out. Okay, and we're going to use some AI to do it. First, go over to chat gpt like I'm doing here and give it a prompt to give you a prompt. Okay, because we're going to use a different software to make this report. All right, so I didn't type this out on camera because it's going to take me a while. I don't want you guys to get bored. And so here's the prompt right here. And again, I'm not a realtor, but this is just what I put in here. You feel free to use this, or you obviously make your own. Okay, write me a prompt. Blah 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 blah. Okay, you guys can see all this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter here. And we're going to wait for chat gpt to give me a prompt. We're going to copy it over to Gamma. I'm going to introduce you to Gamma, this other AI software. It's really powerful and very efficient for making PDFs and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's copy this. All right, so we have all that. All right, here we go. Well, all right, we're going to copy all this. Doesn't need to have that in there. Okay, here we go. Copy that. All right, go over to Gamma. And I got to pull myself over here again. There we go. All right. So this is Gamma. We can create like PDFs with this. It's really cool. Watch how fast it works. So I want to hit create new. Let me make this a little smaller here. Can't see anything. All right. So we can paste in text if we want. Import a file. We can import our own documents we already have to make them better. All right. So I'm just gonna hit generate from a one-line prompt in seconds. All right, just to show you guys. All right. You guys can choose how many like cards they come out with, how many pages technically. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paste this in here. We're gonna go all this classic mode and stuff like that. And just make sure this is all correct. Okay, good. All right. So I'm gonna hit Control V, and there we go. We have that. And then edit prompt, and watch this. It'll take me to a step 2 where I can further customize what happens with this prompt. So I'll move myself over here. All right. I can have it, detailed. I can preserve all the text if I want to, and it just keeps everything it told me. I want it to generate something. So I'm going to hit generate, and you can do minimal text and have a lot of pictures. I like that one. We have a concise, extensive, detailed. So for this, you want to have obviously more pictures. So do that. And we're going to write for local home buyers and sellers. It already knows what we're doing. How awesome is that? Tone, luxury, polished, confident. All right, English. And then this, we can change the style of the PDF that it spits out. So we'll just go like professional, and it has all these different templates that you can use, and you can just paste in here, and it's good to go. All right. For real estate, I like the red one. Let's go with the red one. And let's select this one. All right. 12 cars total. I did it all by itself. Let's just make sure. I'm going to go freeform because I wanted to just let's see what happens. Okay. So we have all that. And we're going to generate. Let's just make sure I did this all correctly. Okay. And then you can choose which AI model you want to make pictures. Flux 2 Pro is their best one with the version I'm on. I'm paying $10 a month for this, guys. Just $10 a month. I can do this unlimited amount of times I want to. Unlimited pictures, unlimited PDF documents. It's amazing. Here we go. Generate. Watch how fast. Watch this thing in action. It's really cool to see. Here we go. I'm just gonna lean back and watch this thing go. And again, this is all editable stuff. All right. So it's just spitting out random numbers right now. You guys can come in here and just change this every single month and spit it out to your clients. And it's going to look amazing. Look at this. It's giving graphs and stuff. This is crazy. Call to action. So you're going to insert your link in here. Put it on the button. There's a button, right? And like your name there. And then you put your, look at that. Unbelievable. Let's just see what it came up with. All right. So local market update report. Look at this. All right. Look at, like, what? Are you kidding me? Like, if I was like a buyer in a market or a seller, I'd be like, okay, this guy, like, he knows what he's doing. This guy's legit. You know, if I get into my email once a month, this guy's legit. All right. Like, they don't mess around. Look at how, like, nice it looks. You can make it even look, even you can use any color you want with this too. Any template that you want. All right. And then to make a button, click on it and just paste your home value link in here before you do anything. Okay. Make sure you change this to your picture. All right. To do that, we're going to go ahead and edit image, replace image. All right. You can upload one of yourself. All right. Obviously, change this to your name here. It's all drag and drop, guys. Easy. I can just change this if I want to, right? But I won't do that. All right. So ChatGPT with Gamma is a great combination for just $10 a month here. I'm going to go ahead and go over here, and we're going to hit export. And watch this. This is cool. Export to PDF. And it might take a second here because I'm on Loom. It always does this when I'm on Loom. But when I found this, I was like, damn, this is awesome. Okay, boom. So now let's click on this. And we have our PDF document for an update. All right. And that took me like 6 minutes to make. I'm just explaining it to you guys, obviously. So it took me a little longer. But still, if you guys get this done in 5 minutes every month. All right. Oh, I forgot to put a button here. Make sure to put buttons here and put buttons here and download it. Put your links here. So see, it spits out a template you guys can just easily just add your stuff into every month. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, whatever they say at the end of these YouTube videos. But I'll see you guys in the next one. And how do I get out of this? Where's my head? There it is.